across Ohio, Indiana, right? Virginia, West Virginia. And let's just run this through to show you the progress of the system. Notice that some of the snowfall may dig its way into southern Indiana and Illinois tomorrow, late Sunday, as the wraparound of the system kind of starts acting up. Notice that for Baltimore, Virginia, North Carolina,
Vince, remember when his tail got hurt? What a pain in the ass that was.
Yes. Probably around 6 a.m. tomorrow, and then notice that progresses pretty quickly, transitions over to rain for a good chunk of you, but you can see most of Maryland stays as snow. It does start cutting into southern Delaware, southern Virginia, southern Maryland area, kind of southeastern early Virginia, at around late Sunday, early Monday. And this is where things get interesting, where a lot of things could still kind of go wrong, if you will. There's a lot of details that still have to be sorted out, but look at this, right? This system, while it's continuing to drop light to moderate snow, this isn't that heavy at this given time, late Sunday. Until early Monday, it starts strengthening into a more of a coastal system. And notice that, look at New York City, New Jersey, southern Pennsylvania. They're in the snow for many, many hours. Each image forward is a 6-hour interval. And notice that the system drops very heavy snow as this intensifies and just works up the East Coast. I mean, New York City potentially could be in one of the biggest snowstorms in their history, to be honest, based on some of the snowfall totals we're looking at. Some models show it close to 20 inches. I know the record is 28. We will not be beating that, it seems, with this system. But I would not be surprised to see some amounts across the Northeast reaching towards the 1.5 feet, possibly 2 foot. The ingredients are definitely there. Notice Boston, Rhode Island, those areas are going to be tricky. Even just a whole chunk of eastern Massachusetts, Cape Cod, they may be just rain and ice kind of going back and forth. So that will be tricky. Even you can see portions of New York City. While it will be brief, it's definitely there, the chance for that. And this works up into Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire. And then it finally abides as this low pressure kind of starts evolving into a new one towards the north. Canada, you'll start off as mostly snow, transitioning over to rain, especially as you live closer out into the Atlantic. Further into Quebec, Montreal, Ottawa, right, those cities will pick up some light snowfall. Quebec seeing the heaviest, staying as all snow. And then that's over and done with. Less stable, total snowfall.
You gonna YouTube that?
Yes. This model has the best handle on the system. So what this model shows, while there may be areas that have a bit too high of an amount shown by the European, I think it does a good job. Anywhere above the blue, you can see the blue, the dark blue is 3 inches, right, 4 or 5. Once you get to the purple, that's over half a foot. The first light blue color, by the way, is over an inch if you look across, say, Minnesota, Wisconsin, maybe 1 to 2 inches, right? Towards Milwaukee, Chicago, 9 to 10, 11 inches, not out of the question.